uh, uh, Manny Pacquiao did lose, but not in my eyes. But Manny Pacquiao versus Marquez. I did see this. If you only can replay, if you would only replay uh, Manny Pacquiao for versus Marquez. In round 6, pace of Marquez was just filled so much blood. His left or right eye has a cut to it. His nose is bleeding a lot. Get back, there's a reporter there's a news that Marquez got injured and fractured nose. There's a lot of blood in his face. It's not a joke. His mouth was gone as early as and there's a lot of minutes, more than 1 minute to go. Then that's gone. So Manny could easily finish him, but so much blood in his face. Manny still punching. Manny did change his fatal punches, his knockout punches to just point punches. Because of the Manny is so big, the referee just to give it up. If you just replay the video, you will compare his fatal punches, his knockout punches to the punches in 6th round, 1 minute to go. He did change. He can knock down it. When Manny Pacquiao punch Marquez, he can hardly defend himself. That's why the blood flows a lot, and his mouth is gone. And if you observe the first round, Manny is more like not in his deep for in the interview he said he was overconfident. Yes, we will see the first round. Mr. Marquez been defeated by Manny second 2 times, and he knocked him down 4 times. Excluding the knockdown in fourth. If only Manny did use his true type, his fatal punches, his knocking punches in 1 minute while the blood still flow. But if I'm Manny and the Christian, if you see the blood in Marquez's face, even if I say to you, even if you're not Christian, you will definitely adjust your punch because of too much blood. If Manny just don't punch him, just let him just do his footwork, let Marquez reflect in Marquez's face be not by the referee or since the referee will stop with your white towel before so much blood, and Marquez could hardly defend himself when Manny punching hard. So the blood flow in is too much. The thing is, Manny Pacquiao did adjust his fatal punches, sometimes to point punches. Marquez is still knocking. no. But if Pacquiao was Margarito or Cotto, I mean not the strength but the attitude, boxing, Marquez is gone. The killing instinct, we're talking about the killing instinct, it's not there. It's supposed to be supposed or just play around as a professional. Just put just put them. Or with my Pacquiao wristwatch, and I suggest just giving them just knock them down. Tama ba ang term ng Pacquiao? Just knock them down all in first rounds. No doubt. And get away with a win. And don't be afraid that you might there's no one way fight you. The thing is when Manny Pacquiao won his first belt, he had a hard time finding another match, so he did adjust his will for the second division, so he did one. Then there's no to find another match again, he did adjust another to another division, another division, till it reaches the 8th division, just to have match or someone to fight with. So I'm suggesting Mr. Manny Pacquiao not to be afraid of knocking them down. Just knock them down with no goods, stuff like that. Just in the first round, second and third round. They'll get away with it. They'll be afraid. There will be a lot of protection. I still go with you, Manny Pacquiao. I believe that there's no boxer there's no boxer can match Pacquiao, especially with speed. Oh my God, even heavyweights, you can do. See Margarito, Cotto, they're more brutal than Marquez. Barrera, Morales, they're more brutal than Marquez. Imagine Margarito versus Marquez. I go with Margarito. Garcia, Pato, Dono, they're all brutal. Marquez is brutal, but compared to it, I still go with my Filipino is still one. We still with one. We still play the Pacquiao Marquez one. Is the blood in the face of Marquez. His face become one of the most forced face. Clearly the most face full of blood. Damn that. A bad but it's more like intimidated by the crowd. This mountain terrain is very effective. I'm not against Mr. Marquez. Oh, I'm just a Filipino. Oh, next time. As a Filipino, we have no Filipinos. Put yourself in someone's shoes. We're both kind of like sometimes I like to box, to play boxing, or UFC. Come on. So, is it for Manuel Sweeter? Mr. Sweeter done to his opponent, the noseless. The nose, it broke. Oh my God, that's a forget boxing. Aggressive. Go to my sons. Like that,